We are back at the Denmark Drone Park after an unexpected reunion of Andres, the original designer and engineer behind Develop Air and our next prosumer drone products, now that they're back here in Georgia, the great Peach State. We are actually out here though to fly this base model Develop Air using a new update of the iVue RC app, and actually more so than flying it, using the Compass Calibration screen that we now have in development, where the UI is not going to be representative of the production version you'll be using, but if you start using the development preview version, just know the UI is still a work in progress. So anything else we need to touch on before we set that up?
No.
All right. Come on, vamonos. Everybody, let's go. More so the camera. You don't have to come out for this, Mohit. Me coming out is enough. I'm a lesbian.
Okay.
Although I've already come out as a lesbian, even just by driving the Lesbrew. All right. It's a beautiful day. Oh man, I messed up. You're gonna have to cut that, Brian.
I very easily could have if you stopped talking.
I'm kidding. Antenna up. I'm gonna rotate it, even though that's not strictly required. Man. We had the normal drone FPV crew, and then again, meeting Andres here today was a very welcome surprise. All right. The software guru got to meet the hardware guru
Yup.
for the first time.
That being said, the compass calibration is on the
All right.
dev version.
Oh yeah, duh. And that's why we're here with the software folks. Oh my God, they just got a preview of the media version? Oh no.
There we go. Look at that. Not this time. There we go.
All right, and zooming in. Let's go ahead, get the PlayStation controller out as well. I think I might have had a problem using this cable last time with the PlayStation controller, but we'll verify it. And we're not even gonna connect it just yet. May not actually be needed, but if we do wanna use it, better have it out and somewhat ready. We have 30 satellites, and I would take it, we're going here to this menu. Oh my goodness, it's at least intuitive enough for me to use. All right, and I think I should be able to tell you to hit start when I'm out there, and you'll be able to keep me updated for the status.
Yep.
Like as it's 25%, 50%, etc., roughly speaking.
Understood.
I can hear you. Aye, aye, Captain. Oh. All right, you want to start it?
I am clicking start now.
All right, and we got the beep that you would be familiar with if you're doing this compass calibration through QGroundControl or Mission Planner. And
Jacob, the compass calibration could not be started successfully.
it said it was, and it is running based off of the beep. So let me keep going, and we'll just see if it's one of those UI updates that we were talking about, because it does, and it just completed. Probably not a great compass calibration though.
Right. It says, I'm reading the status text messages here. Mag 1, good orientation is 0. 014.6. And then Mag 0, good orientation 6, 35.6.
Yeah, I have no idea what that means. Typically, QGroundControl, you know, will give you the green, yellow, or red, and we need to figure out what that green, yellow, or red signifies, and then, you know, replicate it with a much more simple green, you're good, yellow is questionable, try at your own risk, red, not recommended, even though technically speaking, you may be able to take off. You know, that's definitely not supported.
Again, this UI is definitely extremely rudimentary.
Yes, like literally
Yeah.
it was being worked on up until like what, an hour or so ago?
Yeah. Next week,
Excuses, excuses. No.
no, next week is going to be amazing.
Heard it here, folks. Even if Mohit's not here to present it, you know, if I'm not here to present anything better, you know where the, you know, problem lies. No, I'm kidding. All right. So do we want to do one in QGroundControl, or would that be helpful at all for you to see what's happening there? Are you familiar with that?
I'm not that familiar with the compass calibration process myself.
So yeah, let's do it in QGroundControl.
Yeah, I think that would work for the best.
Busy day at the drone park.
Mm-hmm.
At the drone park. Yeah. Are you familiar with that song?
I am not.
It's actually at the car wash. All right. We'll do the same thing actually. So it's the compass calibration screen here, and instead of hitting start like I asked you to last time, you'll just hit OK. And this is where I was telling you at the office, there's two compasses in this develop air, the external compass that's built into the GPS and the internal compass that's built into the flight controller. So you could swap the priority using these drop downs, or you could say, hey, I don't want to even use that that compass. And as you'll see after we do a compass calibration, where one calibration may have been better than the other, you may want to change the priority or disable one of the two.
All right, yeah, I'll definitely look into that myself and implement it.
All right, so go ahead, hit OK.
Clicking OK now. And the sensor bar is moving.
Like the Nintendo Wii sensor bar?
No, the progress bar, 50%.
Yeah. All right.
Calibration is now complete. It's yellow for both of them, and mid-yellow, not even mid-yellow, it's close, it's close to the green, yeah.
Yeah, on the upper end of yellow for both. And even though the Compass 2 internal is a little bit better rated, with the Compass built into the GPS, I think a little bit higher quality. That's, again, I think a little bit higher quality. We're gonna hit OK. I could have hit reboot just there. Tools, reboot, okay. All right. So now we should be even good to fly back here in the iVue RC app. Let's verify if we can get a takeoff. Just gonna arm and fly, take off to 10 feet.
It's giving a pre-arm.
Need position estimate, all right. All right, I think we are good now. I'm going to try again.
Here we go.
Yep. All right. So
And it says it's guided mode for right now.
no, that should have been a moment where the arm button was in yellow, right? Where it wasn't actually ready to arm based off it. And so you could actually see up here that once we had the EK3 IMU using GPS and the EKF3 IMU1 using GPS, then we were able to arm. So I guess basically until it gets the until it has the GPS position, right? When it's in a loiter flight mode or you know, any GPS dependent flight mode, it should the arm button should be yellow.
Yeah, I'll definitely work on that as well to make sure it works proper, or at least more properly than it currently does.
All right, so we have the PlayStation controller connected. Gonna verify it's actually operating as it should. And you could do so again here. Oh, okay. I was like, it shouldn't actually be responding to my input right now, but it's only responding to my rotational input. So not altitude or even translational forward, backwards, left or right input. And that's because we're not in loiter flight mode. So if I just put develop air into loiter flight mode, now we have full gamepad control.
Which works as it should.
Working hardware and software? Oh my gosh. And away! I believe in you, Brian. I mean, we really did test out everything that we need to, right? Is there anything else you wanted to test out with the new Compass calibration screen, or you think it's really kind of dependent on a UI update at this point?
It's dependent on a UI update. The UI is, I want to say garbage, but it's close to that.
It's closer to garbage than it is ideal.
Yeah. I'm going to take a step back. I don't know how you do that.
Being cool, no. Now, it should disarm quicker than it has. All right, it disarmed. All right. Had I not gone down to select arm or disarm as I was going to, well, it actually disarmed automatically before I could do that. Had I let go of the throttle stick, the props would have spun back up. So hence why you always want to make sure it's disarmed before you let go of the controller, or you manually disarm via the software. So I think that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Let us know if you have any comments or questions down in the comments section below. Otherwise, peace.
Bye, everyone.